Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. I am here to give you your week in housing market update. I can't believe we're here July 3rd, 2020. And this week we've had a lot of new things go on. I'm going to tell you what the new numbers are of the data for homes selling in Northern New Jersey. And I'm going to go through with you a really great article that I am seeing so much this week more than ever. Now that things are opening up, outdoor dining is thriving, and we are semi getting back to normal as much as possible. Summer is here and things are heating up. So I'm going to give you your numbers for Essex County. We have 70 houses went on the market, either active or coming soon this week. 72 went under contract. Think about that. 70 came on the market, 72 went under contract. So more homes are going under contract than coming on the market in the suburban Essex County area. And sold homes, 51 homes sold this week. In Passaic County, we have 61 homes came on the market this week, 50 under contract and 25 sold. So we are seeing, again, lots of activity, lots of multiple offers, and lots of buyers coming into the market and taking advantage of the rates. So I'm going to share my screen with you here to discuss this article. Is the health crisis driving buyers out of urban areas? This is what we are seeing in the market more than ever this week. I mean, I'm seeing it so much with so many of our properties for sale. So I just want to go through with you this article. It's from our real estate blog. If you are interested, I can send you tons of great articles that are on here. But this one really caught my eye this week, and it's talking about what buyers are now looking for in the housing market. So it says the pandemic has caused consumers to re-examine the components that make up the perfect home. Many families are no longer comfortable with locations and layouts of their existing homes, and we are seeing an upsurge of urban and rural life. News.com. These are, this is all studies from reputable sources, and this is what the percentages of increased views for property type: 13% and 16% for suburban and rural areas. So we are in Northern New Jersey, where we are located, does serve these areas. So urban is not as desirable because people are looking for more land and more space. So wait till you read this. New construction also sees a surge in views, which people now want new. They don't want to do anything to a home. So brand new, builders are in demand, and same with flipped homes. And then also the luxury secondary home market, because people are looking for that extra space, and now they're putting a new value on it. So I love this article. I will be sharing this article with you guys below this video, so you can take a look at it. And if you are interested as well, please let us know if you want one of our free guide for things to consider when buying a home, things to consider when selling your house. And they are all free and have tons of great information. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you all have a wonderful July 4th weekend, celebrating the holiday. And I love this last thing I'm going to show you right before we wrap up here. Is this infographic: is America is another name for opportunity. And I hope that you guys all have a wonderful weekend celebrating. I'll talk to you soon, and let me know if I can help you in any way.